Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best investment options for beginners in the year 2024. Investing can seem like a daunting task, especially for those new to the game, but it becomes significantly less intimidating when you have the right knowledge and tools at your disposal. Before we delve into the various investment options available to you, it's crucial to understand the importance of investing for the future. Investing is the way to grow your wealth over time, combat inflation, and achieve financial goals. Our first recommendation is to begin with index funds. These are a type of mutual fund that broadly diversifies your investment across a range of companies or, in some cases, the entire market. By investing in index funds, you are essentially spreading your risk and not relying on the performance of any single entity. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is another excellent entry point for beginners. Similar to index funds, ETFs also offer diversification but trade like a stock on a stock exchange. This means you can buy and sell your investment in real time and typically at a lower cost compared to mutual funds. One of the most straightforward and relatively safe investments for beginners is a certificate of deposit, CD. A CD is a low-risk financial product that provides a fixed interest rate for a specified term. It's a particularly good choice if you're averse to risk or are saving for a specific short-term financial goal. Real estate offers a tangible and potentially lucrative investment option. However, it is vital to understand the market and conduct thorough research, including evaluating the neighborhood and property, before making an investment decision. Annuities, a contract between you and an insurance company, provide a steady stream of income, making them a viable option for retirees or those seeking a reliable income during their retirement years. Some annuities can also accumulate earnings, bolstering your financial strategy. Perhaps you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward investment option. In that case, individual stocks might be what you're looking for. Stocks represent ownership in a company and have the potential to provide substantial returns. However, they also come with the risk of significant volatility and the potential for loss. If you're interested in sustainable investing, consider environmental, social, and governance (ESG) funds. These types of investments integrate considerations of environmental, social, and corporate governance issues into the investment process and are a great way to align your financial goals with your personal values. Looking for a tax-efficient investment? Look no further than municipal bonds. Offered by state or local governments, these fixed-income securities can provide tax advantages since their interest income is often exempt from federal taxes. For those with a more entrepreneurial spirit, venture capital could be a compelling option. Venture capitalists provide funding to startups with significant growth potential in exchange for equity in the business. While this presents a high risk, it also offers the chance to be part of the pioneering companies of the future. If you're interested in investing in companies from around the globe, you may consider international mutual funds or ETFs. These investment tools provide access to a diversified portfolio of international stocks and can provide excellent long-term growth opportunities. Crowdfunding is an exciting investment avenue that has gained significant traction in recent years. With this model, you can invest in a variety of projects and companies with a relatively small amount of money. It allows you to support upcoming businesses while potentially making a profit. Looking at an ancient form of investment, gold and other precious metals continue to be a safe haven for many investors. They can serve as a store of value and a hedge against inflation, currency devaluation, and economic instability. Cryptocurrencies have made a major impact on the financial market in recent years. They offer an entirely digital way of transacting and offer potential high returns but come with a high degree of volatility and risk. Consider them as a speculative and small allocation part of your well-diversified portfolio. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. They offer significant cost savings compared to traditional financial advisors and can make investment decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Options and futures contracts are complex derivatives worth mentioning. These financial instruments provide the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. They are a high-risk strategy and only recommended for advanced investors who fully understand their mechanics. Self-directed investing provides you full control of your investments. You can buy and sell a broad range of assets, including stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and more. However, this investment style requires deep research, decision-making and monitoring of the markets. Student housing or rental properties located in areas near educational institutions represent a potentially lucrative investment. However, one must conduct thorough research, including understanding local housing laws and market conditions, before venturing into this type of real estate investment. Master limited partnerships, MLPs, can be a stable earning source as they typically have relatively low costs of capital. These are public companies that operate in the natural resources sector and offer exposure in sectors such as oil and gas, real estate, and infrastructure. Hedge funds are another high-risk, high-reward investment option. A hedge fund pools capital from accredited individuals or institutional investors and invests in a diverse range of assets using dynamic and flexible strategies. Due to their complexity and risk, these are typically best suited for experienced investors. If you're creatively inclined, consider investing in art or collector's items. These tangible assets can appreciate significantly over time, and owning a piece of renowned art or a rare collectible can also provide a sense of ownership and cultural or historical significance. Binary options are a unique but risky form of investment, wherein you speculate on the direction of a particular market or index within a specified time. If your prediction is correct, you stand to earn a fixed amount. However, if you're wrong, you could lose your entire investment. Government bonds are generally considered a safe investment as they're backed by the government's credit, both state and local. They offer a fixed interest rate and can be an essential component of a balanced portfolio, providing stability and income over time. If you're considering an investment for your retirement, a 401k or individual retirement account, IRA, may be the best option due to their tax advantages. A 401k is offered by your employer and deducted from your salary, while an IRA can be set up independently. A systematic investment plan, SIP, is a simple and disciplined approach to investing in mutual funds, best suited for those looking to achieve long-term financial goals with a limited investment. It allows you to invest a fixed amount at regular intervals in a mutual fund of your choice. Additionally, commodities such as agricultural products, energy resources, and precious metals also offer potential investment value. Shop around for the right platform that offers transparent pricing, good liquidity, and low-cost trading options to invest in commodities. Private equity investing involves investing in companies that are not publicly traded on a stock exchange. This style of investing typically requires a substantial investment and a long-term commitment, and it offers the potential for significant returns but also carries a high degree of risk. Not all investments are long-term. For those looking at immediate returns, short-term investments like money market accounts or treasury bills can offer low-risk, stable returns, albeit lower than what you might expect from long-term investments. Revenue-based financing is a form of funding provided to companies in exchange for a percentage of ongoing gross revenues. It can be an attractive option for both entrepreneurs looking for capital and investors seeking to diversify their investment portfolios. We hope this guide has introduced you to the wide array of investment options available for beginners. However, it is crucial to remember that no single investment is the best fit for every individual. It's essential to research, ask for professional advice, and align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance.